If you love cool items, stick around for a moment. This hidden gem is going viral globally and for a massive reason. This specific Get Ready Amazed Coursed C is proving to be super practical for everyday use. The secret behind its huge popularity is simple: the build quality is premium. It brings professional level utility straight to your hands. You will absolutely love how it solves an annoying problem. It saves you energy, money, and unnecessary headaches from day one. It is truly a premium solution without the heavy premium price tag. Thousands of buyers are obsessed with it today without any delay. If you love cool items, stick around for a moment. This hidden gem is going viral globally and for a massive reason.